Hi, my name is Jordan from Squats and Science, and I'm going to show you how to filter your history in the OpenBarbell app. So, first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you are logged into your account. Go to your History tab, and you'll see a new button at the top, Add Filters. So if you tap the Add Filters button, you'll see a big list of fields that you can use to modify your filters. So let's go through them from top to bottom. The first one is exercise names containing. So what you put in this field will search through all the exercises that you've done that contain the word or phrase or letters that you type in. So if I start with SQ, these are the 4 things that I've done in my workout history, and it shows them here. If I clear that, you'll also see, before I even type anything in, there's an auto-filled list seeded by the most popular things that I do. If you don't see something here that you do, and you start typing it in, it should autofill everything that you've done that has that contains those letters or words. So let's choose squat and apply. So what that just did is it applied that filter to my entire history, and you'll see it only shows squats. Let's go back to filters, and if we want to clear our filters, go down here, hit clear all, apply, and here's everything. Now back into filters, let's put squat back in and go into tags. So the autofill works in a similar way. This has all of our tags seeded and some stuff that I haven't done that we just automatically seed for you. Let's try to add belt and see what we get. So I always wear a belt, so in my history I never have the need to tag belt explicitly. So let's add a different tag. So these are my squats that are tagged warm-up. And you'll see it contains the warm-up tag, and if there were multiple tags, it would also contain those as well. Let's go in here and let's edit this one for an example. Let's say this is a no belt warm-up. So now in my history, in my filtered history, it shows things tagged warm-up. In this warm-up, this set with the warm-up has no belt tagged as well. So just for the example, let's exclude no belt, and you'll see that set is excluded. Now obviously we can get rid of the warm-up tag, and you could just exclude as well. Now as we move down into date range, if I want to look at squats of a certain range of time, we can do either a from date, a to date, or both a from and a to date. And that works for all these fields below. So for date range, weight range, RPE range, and rep range, you could do a minimal or a from, and you could do a maximal or a to, or you could do both. Date range, weight range if you wanted to filter your history for a certain weight that you've done, RPE range for a certain effort range that you've done, exertion range, or rep range. So let's do an example. I'm going to see the squats that I did from about a couple months ago until now, a minimum of 350 pounds and at least 4 reps. And so you'll see here all these sets fit that criteria. We want to go to edit, clear all, and now you can see all my data. And down here at the bottom there's a show deleted sets and reps button. So if you think that something's missing, maybe you hit your filters and you go to your history and there's a set that you expect to be there. It could be a deleted set, so you could just hit show deleted and then it'll include those in your results. And that's how you do history filters in the OpenBarbell app.